morning. How long are you in LA? You say only for the night. Gotta catch a flight. Maybe time for one more drink. So baby, sip it slow before you go. There's something that I wanna say.
Amanda, happy 1-year anniversary. This past year of marriage has been special in so many ways. And what better way to reminisce on the past year than to rewatch some old footage? I even found some clips to sneak in from our friendship and dating days.
Stumble out the bar, trying to call a car. I think I know just the place. Dancing on the rooftop, then we hit the boardwalk. Tell me you don't wanna stay. You say only for the night. Gotta catch a flight. Maybe time for one more drink. So baby, sip it slow before you go. There's something that I gotta say. I'll put in overtime and stay all night just to leave with you. You hear it all the time from all those guys who wanna be with you. I'd leave them all behind and tell no lies. Baby, you're the truth. I'll put in overtime and stay all night just to leave with you. Even angels gotta fly away. Maybe you'll be back someday. Hey, I know it's cliche, but for now I'ma need you to stay. Hey,
I love you.